Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. So for today I'll be showing you a very easy gele style to tie for your event, Owanbe or church service. It's a very simple gele, and I'm sure if you follow through you'll get it. So what I need, you get your gele and some office pin. So the first thing to do, after folding your gele inward like this from the middle, you divide it into two, 50-50, so you can get the middle. Then you go ahead and make some pleat after securing the middle. So you go ahead and make some pleat. So I have 5 pleats already, as you can see. If you see me looking at this direction, it's because I have my mirror here. So I'll be looking at my mirror while making this video. So I have 5 pleats already. I'll go ahead and place this on my head from the back. So after placing it on my back, I will extend the pleat I made. I will extend it to the front. So I'll go ahead and extend my pleat, as you can see. Make sure it's covering your hair very well. So my pleats are already in the front. I will grab the second one and just do the same. So I'm making my pleat. That's pleat number 4, and this is pleat number 5. So I have all my pleats, and I'll bring everything together like this. Make a cross. I'll cross it this way. I'll still go ahead and make the second cross. So when we have something like this, then you secure this one. You can put it under your armpit. Spread this one, this flap, you spread it. Then from the lower end, like this, you pin it down to somewhere here. You pin it down. You see me pinning it down. Pin it to one of the plates. Okay, so this is secure. I'll go ahead and do the same to this flap. From the lower end, I'll just secure it to one of the plates here. So both of them are secured. The next thing to do, and I'll go ahead and make some ruffles, just as the name implies. It's just do something rough. But while making the ruffles, make sure you secure this angle. So we'll make sure we secure this angle. So now I'll go ahead and just make some ruffles. You know, just gather. Just go ahead and make some ruffles. While making it, I can secure it with office pin just to make it easier for myself. So I'll still go ahead and make some. Remember, don't forget this tip. So we're still making some ruffles. You know, just secure with pin as necessary when making the ruffles. So still making ruffles. Like I said, secure with office pin to make it easier for you. Keep securing. So when you are getting nearer to the tip, you have to be careful of how you make the ruffles so that you can secure that angle. you're still making ruffles. Just make everything rough until you have something like this. Just making a rough sketch, So once you have something like this, then you can secure and just leave it. Pin very well if you have to. You see, I can see some pins removing. I'll still go back and pin it, adjust as necessary. You have to be careful so you don't injure yourself while pinning. So once you have something like this thing, you do the same thing to this other one. So we go ahead and make some ruffles while securing this edge. Make sure that it's secure. So we just make ruffles like just ruffle everything together. So go ahead and secure with everything. So still making some ruffles. Go ahead and secure with office pin. So until we have something like this, as you can see. So once we have something like this, then you can secure the back with some office pin. Just close it up. So once everything is secure, you still go ahead and adjust where necessary. If you want this to be together, you can go ahead and pin it together. But I'll just leave it like that. And yes, it's what we have. You can rock it to your Owanbe. You can rock it to church. Just put it on. Use it on your Google style, your kaftan, your blue top. It looks so classy and beautiful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Love you all.